The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola 5G for Verizon Wireless. So this is a new smartphone for Verizon Wireless. It's available for the postpaid service. It's available now and in Oxford Blue. You will have 128 gigabytes of storage. You can get this phone for $22.91 a month for 24 months, or $549.99 for retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone for cheap, the 5G could be for you guys. So this is what the phone looks like. You guys will have dual front-facing cameras. So pretty nice. I did a lot of work over there. Pretty nice as well. Your volume keys are right here on the right side of the phone. On the left side of the phone, you guys have a micro SD card and some card slot. I'm not sure what this is up here. On the back of the 5G, you guys will have 4 cameras. Camera flash. Yeah, Motorola logo, any 5G logo there on the back. And then on the right side of the phone is your volume keys and your power button right there. And that is probably your fingerprint sensor right there, probably. I don't know if it is that or if it's an in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm not sure. But the 5G dimensions are 2.91 inches in width, 6.61 inches in height. You do get 4 cameras in the back, 48 megapixels main, a macro vision camera with frame light at 5 megapixels, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, 49 hours of usage time, 11 days of standby time. So not bad. So it says here, introducing the Motorola 5G and unbelievably fast phone that's built for today and ready for tomorrow. Download, stream, and game ultra low lag and ultra fast 5G speeds. Capture all the moments that matter on the quad camera system with 48 megapixel quad pixel technology, and with features like a dedicated macro vision camera and ultra wide angle lens, night vision, and more. All your photos will look like they were from a pro. Shoot shave-worthy selfies with a 16 megapixel front-facing camera and capture everyone in the next group shot without a selfie stick, using the ultra wide angle lens. Enjoy your favorite content on the 6.7 inch cinema vision display with cinematic views. All this and more is powered by a battery that will last for days. And for those who want hands-free control, it supports multiple wake words, including Google Assistant and Alexa. Do more of what you love with Motorola 5G and Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Alright, so pretty nice. So you get 5G on this phone, of course, with ultra fast 5G speeds, compatible with both 4G LTE and 5G networks. This is one smartphone that lets you game wide free, download in seconds, and stream without delay. Never miss a time with ultra fast, ultra powerful 5G. Headlines for any occasion. Capture all the big moments and the not so big ones with the Motorola 5G quad camera system, a 48 megapixel main camera with quad pixel technology. Delivers 4 times better light sensitivity for clear images no matter the time of day. A 118-degree ultra wide angle lens lets you fit more of what you see in a frame and for pro looking portraits. Bokeh effect blurs the background and bokeh effect blurs the background so the focus is only on the subject. And to capture every detail, that macro vision camera with dedicated flash gets you up to 5 times closer. Superior selfies. With two front-facing cameras, selfies and group views are no problem. The 16-megapixel front-facing camera with quad-pixel technology and 4 times more lighting and 4 times more light sensitivity lets you shoot all your best angles in any light, and the ultra wide angle lens will fit all your best into a single shot. No selfie stick required. Batteries for days. Good for days on a single charge with the ultra long lasting 5000 mAh battery with up to 2 days of power when running on 5G and up to 3 days on 4G LTE. You can multitask, stream, and game without worry, and when you need to charge in a hurry, Turbo Power gives you hours of power in minutes. So they claim that you will get 2 days of battery life 5G on this one and 3 days of battery life on 4G on this one. We'll see, but it also depends on the user as well, so do keep that in mind. More screen for more of what you love. Watch all the latest binge-worthy content on the Cinema Vision Full HD Plus display with a 21:9 aspect ratio. The large 6.7-inch bezel-free display has a streamlined design, so it's comfortable no matter how you hold it. And with a 90 Hz refresh rate, you can scroll and navigate with ease. So you will get a 90 Hz refresh rate, so that's pretty good. Powerful performance. The 5G optimized Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor is ready to help you tackle your busiest days, from ultra fast browsing, web browsing, to downloading screens that will give you whiplash. The processor is built for performance. Plus, with 4 GB of memory, with 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, you can rest assured that everything will run smoothly and there will always be room for the things you love. Competition crushing gaming. Get the leg up on the competition with Motor Game Time. Game without interruption. Immerse yourself in the action and get access to game enhancing apps and tools. So that is really cool. The specs on this phone is really good. So this is a mid-range 5G smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a cheaper 5G phone, this is the phone to take a look at here. So your dimensions are 2.91 inches width, 0.35 inches depth, and the height is 6.61 inches. The Moto 1 5G weighs 7.4 ounces, screen size 6.7 inches at Full HD Plus, Cinema Vision display 21:9 aspect ratio Full HD Plus, 16 megapixel front-facing camera, also with a 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens as well on the front camera. On the rear, you guys have 4 cameras, 48 megapixel main, 5 megapixel macro vision, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Android 10. Google Assistant, Alexa button press supported. Alexa hands-free supported as well. Wi-Fi 802.11, APGN, AC, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Processor, Snapdragon 765 5G, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, with support up to 1 TB of micro SD, 5000 mAh battery. There's a star rating, Serenade, usage time 49 hours, standby time 11 days. There's your 5G networks, 4G networks, HD voice, what's your experience, HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. It's also a world device will let you used in over 200 countries. It is XLTE ready, doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth in cities from coast to coast. It is also Lte Advantage, so you can use 4G or 5G with this phone. You should be able to get 5G on this phone now because 5G is now available everywhere on Verizon. So you should not have no problems connecting to 5G on Verizon now since it's nationwide now also. But you do have 4G to fall back on if you guys need that. Also, with Lte Advantage, it has 50% faster peak speeds in more than 450 cities from coast to coast. So that's pretty nice. If you guys need help with your Moto 1 5G smartphone, Verizon has you covered with that with device support. It says Verizon Mobile Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. Great tool to have there. So what comes in the box is your Moto 1 5G smartphone, turbo power charging brick, Type-C charging cable, guides and collider. I'm not sure what the fuck that means. And you get insulin injection tools. So pretty cool to learn. So you send this stuff in the box. So there you guys have the Moto 1 5G is 900 at Verizon Wireless for $22.91 a month for 24 months, or $549.99 for a good top price. And in my opinion, I think this is worth $550, especially if you guys want a 5G phone for cheap. This is a phone to take a look at here. It's definitely worth $550 in my opinion. So yeah, there you guys have the Moto 1 5G is now however Verizon Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys want, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.